how to connect Phantom Wallet to Bonkbot. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Phantom Wallet to Bonkbot. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Bonkbot in Telegram app. After that, type /start in the message section and you will see this message. Now, just tap on wallet. Now, you will see an option of export private key, as I don't have it yet. Now what I want you to do is tap on that option and then it will ask for confirmation. So click confirm and then copy your private key. Now the next thing that you want to do is open up your Phantom wallet. Then click on the profile icon in the top left corner. After that, click on add or connect wallet. Now choose the import private key option and paste the private key you just copied into this section. You can give it a name like Bonkbot to remember which wallet it is and then click import. When you click import, it will now be added to your Phantom wallet and you've successfully connected it. You can trade via Bonkbot or Phantom wallet now. So that's basically how you can connect Phantom wallet to Bonkbot. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.